Hello, in this video I will show you the trick to enable advanced feature of Logic Pro. Let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to open Logic Pro. I already opened the Logic Pro software, and then from here, once you opened it, you have to open the application, and then after that you have to click Logic Pro. It will bring this type of menu. From here we have to go settings, and then we have to go advanced. Once we click advanced, a new window will be appeared. From here we will find a checkbox, enable complete features. To enable all the features of Logic Pro, basically we need to click here, and then it will be enabled. And here you will see there is some change, some extra menus are coming. See, I am going to uncheck it, and here you will see the changes. See, here it is very simplified version. Now if I click here, see here it is changing and many options are coming, right? So once you make it enabled, then all the advanced feature will be enabled, and these are the advanced feature like customization and control, editing, audio, mixing, score editor, and many things. You can check those details from this learn more button, but I am not going to show you. And once you enable the advanced mode, then you can close this thing, and now your Logic Pro is ready to use all the latest advanced feature, so that you can produce good quality of music without any big hassle. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully by watching this video you are able to enable the advanced feature of your Logic Pro.